Children. Your love life is being affected by children. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. And it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Bottom of the deck. Pay attention to the red flags and signs are cautioning you. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is there's somebody here that I feel like they want to come back, make it right with you, but they have a child or children, if not with you, with someone else. But I'm more so picking up someone has a child or children with someone else, and right now they're trying to get their finances together, because if they're with this person, they've been dealing with this person, they know that once they basically leave or put an end to a situation, finances are going to take a hit, you know, and they want to come back to tell you how they feel, because they want you to know it is safe for you to love them, but they're taking a cautious approach because they have this situation going on up here with the children. So let's just see. All right, let's see. Okay, guys, so bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Wands reversed. So this person feels like you don't want to build with them anymore. They know that they hurt you, you know, and they're feeling like you're not going to speak up. You're not going to talk to them. But look at that. I just saw. There's another woman here. So you see what I'm saying? There are two people. There are two women. For some of you guys, it could be two men. Y'all know how I feel about my court cards. But there are two individuals here. And this is why this person feels like things may not improve between the two of you. But they're hoping that when they come back, the two of you can talk it out. You can stop looking back on what took place in the past. But they're still moving a little slow to come towards you. I feel like they've already made a decision about who they want to be with. But they're still kind of just taking their time. See? That's a soulmate connection here. Was this Aries or Pisces? I don't know. Somebody had the same... I can't remember. Aries, Pisces. It was one of y'all. Anyway, let me keep going. So... this is definitely some type of soulmate connection that you have with someone else. For some of you, it might even be a twin. But this person is very upset because, see, in the past, they were being sneaky. You know, dealing with someone else. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But I'm feeling like they're trying to have the strength to come towards you to tell you that they removed themselves from a third-party situation because things weren't improving. But I feel like the holdup, it does have something to do with their finances. But they're going to break out of this relationship or whatever they were committed to because there was no stability there. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Taurus just tried to jump out. But see, yeah, this person, they're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. Possibly because of this family situation. So they're back and forth with the moon. Y'all apologize. These are new cards and they're like super slick and they've been flying all day, okay? But anyway, they're back and forth with the moon. So you could be dealing with the Pisces. But this person, it's like they're going to come and speak their truth to you. But they're still hesitating because I feel like they kept some things from you. You know, they lied. And they know that right now you're just moving on. You're focusing on you. They feel like you don't really even care about them anymore because there was a lot of harsh words that were exchanged between you both. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius, but the way the star came out, it's like they're trying to hold on to hope that the two of you can be together, but they don't. They can't stop thinking about you. But Virgo, you could have been dealing with another Virgo, but they're going through a lesson right now, and this is why they're having a hard time, and they're frustrated. See, because I told you they're having a hard time. They're wanting to come towards you to give you this offer, but they're also working on their stability right now, that coin. They're focusing on their finances. And this is why they're stuck trying to make a decision because, look, there's another man. I'm going to put him down here, but you see what I'm saying? There are two kings here. So this person, you know, was put themselves in a situation where they're dealing with someone else, but because they've been taking a long time to get out of it, they're afraid that somebody else is going to come in if they haven't already. And, you know, your person doesn't want you to cut them off because they feel like the seeds that you two planted together, they want them to grow. But see, they're back and forth with the Six of Cups. Yeah, there's some type of home or family situation here. But I feel like they want a future with you. And this is why they're going to come and give you this offer. But they were being sneaky. And this is the issue. Where'd that card go? Ace of Swords, yeah. This person's going to come and speak their truth to you because I'm telling you, they want to have this new opportunity, but they got to tell you they have to end something with someone else first. See, Judgment. They have to make a decision. I thought for some of you, maybe this person's trying to sneak away from the situation that they're in, you know. So let me see. Clarify. Oh, I have a feeling that was going to come out. Justice. You could be dealing with a Libra, but this could be like a legal situation going on with your person. And maybe they're feeling like somebody's trying to be sneaky when it comes down to what they're going to have to pay out once they put an end to whatever this arrangement is with the family, you know. And yeah, they're waiting on some type of judgment from court. Yeah, they're waiting on a decision. But see, right now, they feel like your guard is up, you know, with them. And that's why they're afraid they're not going to have a new opportunity because of this third-party situation. But see, they're going to remove themselves. They're going to get out of this situation that they're in because it is toxic. Some of you could have been dealing with a Capricorn. But see, I told you, somebody's in some type of karmic soulmate situation. They could be in a commitment with that person, married to that person. But they know that if they get out of that situation, they're going to have to pay this person, whatever it is. They got to pay them. And see, they felt like they were going to be left out in the cold, financially speaking, by this other individual, because maybe this person is coming off really cold and nasty towards them. And they do realize that, yes, they left you out in the cold and they want to make it right. But see, they can't stop thinking about how many times they stabbed you in the back. They've done you wrong. And so the way the Queen of Wands came out, it's just like you're a blessing in their life, and they know you're not positive about them anymore. See, because they couldn't make up their mind about removing themselves from this third party. They don't know if things are going to improve between the two of you or not, but they want them to. They want to heal things. You are their wish fulfillment. And see, they're going to have the confidence to come towards you, but right now they're sad because, yeah, they're taking some type of loss. Could be financially by putting an end. I told you, this person's going to put an end to a situation that they're in. See, there's an important document, a contract. Somebody's going to court. It's a court situation going on. And they're upset that they ruined things with you because they were being immature. They were being a player. They were running in and out of your life. See, the Empress reverse. I'm telling you, they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Ace of Wands reverse. Again, they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. They're not going to have this new opportunity. And they don't have a peace of mind because they want to come back and turn things around with you. But, oh, see, in the past, they were moving slow. But now they're getting ready to pick up the pace because they're coming out of being frustrated. And they're talking to someone because they're coming to take this leap to communicate to you. Look at that. Yeah, you guys are going to be receiving some type of communication. Why is the sun here? Clarify the sun. Oh, God, didn't I tell you? There's a baby here. That's birth of a baby. Somebody just had a baby. Or there was some type of baby involved. I told y'all with this children, somebody had a child with somebody else. And they have to tell you the truth about that. Oh, and they feel like you're going to walk away from them. That's what it is. But see, they're listening to their intuition. Okay, let's see. That's a lot. Yep, 11-11. Angels are trying to step in to help them out. It's like they want to balance things out with you. And it's like they're trying to come out of being frustrated. Ooh, look at that. It's 2 9s. There's a karmic cycle that's been going on. It's coming to an end. So they're going to come and give you an offer. But right now, Spirit is saying they're dragging their feet. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Yeah, they want to come over and start. It's like they want to come back and start things over with you, Virgo. But they don't know if they can balance things out the way that just came out. It's like they're getting out of their head. But see, there's a family situation. I told you, it's like this person, it's like they're feeling like they can't get out of some type of home or family situation. And this is why they're frustrated with their money. They're frustrated because they have you waiting around because, see, they're coming back, but they got to balance things out with someone else. They're going to have to pay someone else. And see, they're the ones that take care of the home, the family. They're the responsible one, the official person. But I'm seeing that they're regretting everything that they have done, you know, to you. So somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But this is telling me somebody's going to make the move to get out of a commitment or get out of a marriage. Somebody's in some type of situation, and this is the problem. Could even be a contract. Let's see. Yep, they're going to be working hard on doing that, okay? But when it comes to you right now, they don't know what to do. But they're going to have to get out of this energy of not saying anything or feeling stuck. You know, feeling like, okay, you're not going to take their offer if they're not financially stable, because, see, they're not being positive if they can have this life with you. They want to be with you, but they have somebody around them that's holding on to them for money. And so they're coming out of feeling like they lost you for good. But see, the way this came out and where it landed, they have to get out of some type of home or family situation. That's the issue. Okay. Alright, let's get you guys some advice. Bottom of the deck I have the Hermit reverse. So this is you guys. You guys are isolating yourselves. You know, maybe you're like, you know, I have to take a step back away from people, but definitely this person, because this is the truth coming out. Maybe some of you guys are realizing you need to get out of a commitment, a marriage. Maybe this was your energy I was picking up on. You know, like I said, the roles could have been reversed, because cross-watcher, this is something that you could have been dealing with this individual. But yeah, I just see you guys being quiet. I feel like you guys are just, you know, I feel like communication has been blocked. You're not really saying anything, and you're trying your best to move on. But I do feel like somebody's going through some type of divorce, or they will be, you know. But when it comes to those of you that's not really your situation, I feel like by you cutting things off, you've been focusing on yourself. You learned your lesson, and you're moving on. See, you decided to make a change because you were tired of this person's nonsense. So this is you listening to your intuition. Yeah, I told you, you had to cut them off. You cut them off. But you're back and forth with the Knight of Cups. It's like you were confident when you cut them off, but now it's like you're not confident about something. Tell me more. See, 1 minute it's like you want to build with them, but the next minute you're like, I don't want to deal with that. See, back and forth. Virgo, get out your head. Please get out of your head, okay? See, it's like 1 minute, it's like you care about this person and you love this person, and it makes you sick sometimes that you do care about this person a lot, because you know there's a connection. But this person, even though they feel the same way, there's somebody around them, and that's why you're like, no, they didn't put in the work, I'm not putting in the work anymore, I'm not reaching out, I could care less, I gotta move on. But it bothers you because you love this person, you want to be in a relationship with this person. Okay, let's see what jumped out. Yep, so it's like you're manifesting something. You're trying to stay positive. You're trying to be confident, but at the end of the day, you're losing hope because you're feeling like you don't see things turning around. See? And it's like, the seeds you planted with this person, you feel like they're not going to grow. So this is telling me you're no longer putting the time, effort, or energy into this person. You're just focusing on you. I just see a lot of healing here. You're no longer feeling bad, having regret, sadness, all of that. Because now I see something's getting ready to happen really fast for you. Because you came out of being frustrated. Give me 5 more for Virgo, please. Yep. You don't see things improving, but you're back and forth. Yeah, oh God. This person's going to come back and give you guys an offer. But the way these 2 cards came out, you're like, I know this is my person. I know we're supposed to move forward. I've had dreams, visions, all of that. But I don't even know if I should take this offer. I don't even know if we really can have this happy home, this happy family. See, I told you. But Spirit is saying with these 2 4s, yeah, they were in some type of situation, but now you're like, I don't know. But you're coming out of being worried about it, but you're like, I'm no longer taking a leap. If they want to be with me, they need to get themselves out of this other situation. They need to come towards me and make it right. That's the decision you made. You guys are like, I'm no longer waiting around on this person, and they better hope that they hurry up, because I told y'all, you got somebody else coming in. You definitely do. Alright, Virgo, so that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates with any of you guys. Right now, I'm not accepting personal readings, and I will open it back up as soon as I'm ready, but I need to go through the emails first that I received last month in May. So once I go through that, look out for the community post, because I will be making an announcement. Alright guys, well, I love you all. I hope that you guys stay safe during this time, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Virgos. Bye, Virgos. Bye, Virgos.